I'm gonna let Kamari get in her water pad for the first time. And oh wow, so I getting in the water. Change your clothes. I know you excited. No, don't joke that. You just excited. You saw that water out there. Put these on. She has to put on her little swim. Her sister old gymnastics suit. We don't know what none of her bathing suits is. You ready? Okay, come on. Nigga.
Cam looks so cute.
Cam say I get in the water. Cam, I don't know if you want to walk on this ground like this, Pooh. You want mommy to carry you?
She need to get
You want to see what the ground feel like? You see that water? Okay, guys, so we sitting here and she's doing my hair while we edit this. And I just realized how relaxing the white noise sound that is coming from the splash pad. Y'all, while y'all watching this, please pay attention to just how relaxing the water sounds on the splash pad. So relaxing. I love me some good white noise, so enjoy. We're gonna sit out here and chill for a little while. She loves water. She can handle it. Uh-oh, don't fall though, my love. All right, you gonna go on in there, Nunny? All right, that's a big girl. She's not even scared of the cold or nothing. You good? You want mommy to hold you? Well, mommy ain't come out here to get wet now. You got to do this on your own. Go ahead and sit down. Oh, don't slip. Oh. Let mommy help you sit down. Ready? You want to sit in the water? Oh, this water cold. Come on, son. We need the sun back out, don't we, Pooh? Hey, woo. That is ridiculous. Hold on, hold on. Oh. You need Khalees out here. You okay? You need to sit on this side while there's stuff in it. That's what you said. Okay, guys, so this is a swim pad that we got from Amazon. We got it during the pandemic. When I tell y'all it was hard to find during the time because the pandemic was like just going on. So that's what we got it from. And she is really having a good time. I want to see how she acts. The sun's not out anymore, so it's gonna be a little difficult for me because I want my baby to get some sun while she acts. Because I don't want her to be cold or get sick. Then I just spray around bug stuff in the air so they won't bother her. But she is highly allergic to mosquitoes. They have the fake grass down. I got it from Ollie. Ollie can spray everywhere, all in the water everywhere. Alright, so while we're in here, we're gonna see. Look. I'm gonna warm you up real good in your house right now. Alright, let's see. You ready toys in the tub? Ooh, baby shark can swim in. Look. This boat. Your lighthouse boat. Uh-oh, your lighthouse boat. Does it take batteries or something? Dead. But most importantly, look, we're gonna fish. You want mommy to fish with you? We can work with your hands, okay? I really want you to work with your hands. See like that? Fish. Sorry? I was gonna get in with her, but I think I'm fine right now. I just need that fish up now. Oh, the bottom's going that way. Okay, so I'm gonna go out for a second, and her sister's gonna watch her. I think she's pretty safe right now with her sister. Is she safe with you here, Lacey? She's safe with me anywhere. I know that's right. Okay, y'all, so I had to come in the house for a minute because, oh my gosh, like the heat and everything that you deal with while you're out there is something else. So I need a break. But this is so exciting because we have definitely been waiting to go outside to play with those bubbles. Just being that I can't be in the sun like that, we bought the water park to us. Let me just do a little peek out here, y'all. Look. Just peek in to see what it is. Okay, so looks like they're having a good time. So I just stepped in for a second to get a little breather. And I was getting something else, a stool, so I can sit beside her. Because while we got her in this pool, we're going to attempt to get her to fish, do something, throw a ball, do anything, something with her wrist and her hands, because she really needs to get to moving. She's 8 years old and she barely moves her hands, guys. Y'all pray for my baby. Pray for strength in her wrist, for her to just get motivated enough and to just end the stubbornness. She's starting to have these behavior issues as well. So we are about to work on this. So this summer is going to be very, very intense for her because I want to go to school on top as she can be. I'm going to go ahead and get a few things done, and I'm going to go back out with my baby. Always. Because it's such a blessing to be able to do things like this, spend time with your family. In any circumstances, make the best of everything. Always remember that God. So, I grabbed a few toys. I have the stool, but y'all, I knew by the time I went back outside that Khalees was going to have her butt in the water with Cam, and she does. Hold on, let me open the door. Hey, Khalees.
Hello.
What are you doing?
In the pool.
Huh?
I'm playing in the water.
You playing in the water with your sister? You're such a good sister. She is having such a bad.
It is super cold, Mom.
It's cold in there. So look, the minutes doesn't help. We'll probably let her play for about, 10 more minutes? After we finish working our hands and stuff. We're about to do some hand stuff. She said, well, dang, can I have some fun? Yes. We got your sister. Just because I always turn everything into like a learning thing, I'm definitely going to have to come out here and get her to do some hands-on. Cam, how you going to get up? That's not safe, sweetie. Come on, get up, honey. You want to get up? You just want to lay back there like that? Y'all, she done laid back. Say, I'm having fun today. Say, I love water. Well, what kind of swimming is that you're doing? You can't back float in this little thing. Mama got to get you a bigger pool for that.
We need a real pool.
I don't have time for that.
I'll do it.
Fine, though.
I'll be here for a little while longer.
4 more years.
4 years.
Okay, Stank, you just gonna lay like that? You want your sister to help you up? You want to help her up? See if she want to get up? She might not want.
Her eyes, she can't see.
Help her up. Help her sit up. Best sister ever. Okay, so like we are totally stuck outside. I went in the house and I locked the door. I'm trying to call Earl now. Let's see if he can let us in. Or Karen, but I'm hoping that the back door was unlocked so that police could go in. But look at her back there, y'all. She is having a ball. She is not concerned about being locked out. She is enjoying her bubbles and her water. So awesome. All right, so here's Earl, you guys. So Earl, sweetie, they locked. We locked out. I'm forced to sit outside the whole time because we're locked out. And my boo's gonna have to come let us in. So baby, can you come let us in? Right now or like
right now.
Okay.
Give me a second.
Look, I'm gonna let you see. I'm gonna let you see.
Ooh,
Yes, she is. She is loving this. Okay, boo, so we'll be out here until you come. All right, baby. Guys, so we're out here. We're going to wait on Earl to come. My phones are dead. There are no chargers outside. Definitely wasn't prepared to get locked out today, so I'm going to sit right here, and we're going to wait till Earl get here. Mommy's going to put you to work, my love. Ready to work, 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 work. Hey, look. You see what Mommy has? No. Sometimes you be planning to do like hands-on stuff when you just need to let this child have some fun. Girl, play. She's gonna play and I'm gonna relax. So always remember, have fun. You ready for Daddy E to come? Oh, she still not trusting you guys. Helping her brother in the store. How sweet. All right, Cam. Daddy E need to come on, let us in so we can get you out this cold water. Much sun don't come right here. We're going to move you to the sun out there next time. Oh, yeah. It's time to come up out of it. That's the snake. Oh, she's sneezing. Time for elderberry. I think she's cold. She'll stay in there as long as you want. As long as you let her because she just really don't care about being cold. When the water's involved, she just wants to play, play, play. It's fine. She's going to do this. We're going to take our shower. And we are going to get a rub down. And we're going to relax. Whenever Daddy E gets here with the keys. Because like I said, we are locked out. We are totally locked out. We have all our things, all of our belongings. The door is locked. I'm out here. The Lisa's took the trash. Cammy's sitting here freezing. Lightly, I'm so ready to go in now. Oh, Lord, go help her. She's having like sneezy snot. Oh God, we gotta take her out. We don't have nothing to wrap her in. I'm gonna go get some out the back. I'm serious. I'm gonna get some out the little house. Cause I don't want her sick. We're gonna cut this water off so Daddy E get here. Okay? I sure hope this baby ain't about to get no cold. Oh, I'm going back here to get something to wrap my baby in. Oh, I'll be right back.
I know you about to sneeze.
Mr. Earl, here, Mom.
Hey, y'all, Mr. Earl is here.
Thank you.
I'm trying to get out your own.
I know. I'm finna wrap her up though. Here. No. You get the bottom. Just lift her up from there. Hold up. I'll kick her to lift her up. The girl done potted in the pool. First time in the pool. You did. Not us. Sit on down. I clean up. All right, you guys. So that was our day outside in the pool. Daddy E had to come let us in. Cam takes a boo-boo. Don't need to see that. I locked myself out the house, so.
That ain't nothing. Cam took the boo-boo.
But anyways, that's right. So Cam's chilling here, you guys. That is it for us for today. I'm tired just from that. I gotta get used to this. You?
I ain't got to get used to none of it. She a child. She like to have fun. She gonna have much fun than we love.
That's right. She gonna have a good time with some of y'all. So we're going to get in the house and get ourselves cleaned up, y'all, and have us a good evening. So thank you for chilling with us. If you're not subscribed, hit that button. Like, share, all the above. Y'all come on and join Team Cammy's Camcorder. And always, always, always remember what God.
What else you want?